We used to tear up lawns and driveways laying pipes. Then we found this boring machine that drills under everything, no digging needed. Now we finish in half the time, 0-yard damage. This is how we do it now. First, we set up the drill monitor to accurately track and guide the bore path underground. Then we use a hydro excavator to expose a precise section near the existing water line. This allows us to avoid damaging any nearby gas, electric, or utility lines. Next, we create a larger access point using a traditional excavator. This gives us working space we need to retrieve the drill once we pull back the sleeve. After that, we position the drill rig and run water to the system to keep the drill bit cool and functioning efficiently. During the bore, we use a green locator to continuously monitor the drill's depth, pitch, and orientation. Before long, we've successfully bored into the basement without disturbing the surface. At that point, we pull the sleeve back out, insert the new water line, and make all necessary connections inside and outside the home.
Stellar job.
Finally, we backfill, clean up the site, and leave everything looking just like we were never there. Thanks for watching. On to the next.